Hello and welcome to my channel. Let us solve this set math question. Says that find the value of x if 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x. Now what we are going to do that if we take this side, I'm going to take 4 power x common. So we are going to have 1 plus 1. That is of course equal. It means that 4 power x into 3 that is equal to 192. Or I can say that 3 multiplied by 4 power x that is equal to 190. Now I am going to divide both sides by 3. Let us divide both sides by 3 and this divided by 3 comes out to be 6. So we have 4 power x equal to 64. Now we know that 4 square is 16 and if you multiply 4 by 16 we get 64. It means that 4 power cube is equal to 64 because this is 4 square and in multiplication when the bases are same the powers are added. So we have 4 cube is equal to 60, which means that the value of x here is equal to 3 because 4 power cube is equal to 64. The value of x is 3. Thank you.